came from Tunisia with a goal, which is to have a professional career with a lot of evolutions. Today, I think I have 12 certifications. This level and Red Hat Certified Professional of the Year are not just badges on LinkedIn. They are the story of my journey. Hello everybody, my name is Firas Benbelgacem. I came to France to finish the final year of my engineering degree. Later on, I got the opportunity to join Orange as a radio engineer. Before switching to system engineer, I have a lot of doubts because I didn't come from IT background, but I was motivated. I chose learning and certification as my strategy. My first manager, Xavier Binard, got me Red Hat Learning subscription, which changed everything because it perfectly suits my learning style. I can learn when I want. I can learn theory if I want. I can practice labs when I want.
C'est une vraie reconversion que nous avons enclenchée ensemble quand il était dans mon équipe. C'est quelqu'un qui a dû réapprendre des nouvelles compétences techniques, beaucoup plus tournées vers le cloud et tout ce qui est applicatif.
It was complicated, especially as a new father. Red Hat doesn't stop the exam if a baby cries in the next room. But Red Hat Learning and certifications gave me more confidence and proved that hard work pays off.
Les compétences de Firas permettent de tirer l'équipe CAS en charge de l'intégration des clusters Kubernetes et OpenShift vers le haut. Il a toujours à cœur de faire progresser les autres, de partager son savoir, ce qui permet globalement un meilleur fonctionnement de l'équipe et une efficacité accrue.
Ma plus grande fierté, c'est d'avoir vu son évolution au fur et à mesure des années et de savoir qu'il a continué à le faire. Donc pour moi, voilà, c'est le plus beau des cadeaux.
Technology evolves so fast. I think learning should never stop. I want to get more professional certification on Red Hat products to be able to apply my knowledge and share it with others, because sharing helps to build better things together. What I missed the most in Tunisia is family back home. They sacrificed a lot for me. World is not just my achievement, it's theirs too. My name is Firas Benbelgacem and I am the 2026 Red Hat Certified Professional of the Year.
You nailed it. That's right.